Hello. Today I'm beginning a series of posts titled Kiss Your Clutter Goodbye. For the next 7 weeks, we'll explore some organizing concepts that will help you declutter and maintain your space. We all have stuff in our space that we don't even notice until we think about getting organized. And then we start to question, what is this, or why do I have it? Clutter can slow you down, and it certainly takes up space. So let's start actively decluttering and see what happens. Your first concept is to do an assessment of each space. It's funny how we live in a space and we don't often really look at it. I mean, really look at it. Stand in the middle of the room and turn 360 degrees. What do you see that you didn't see a moment ago? Do some research on your home. Move from room to room, writing down what activities you use each space for or what you'd like to use it for. Don't forget to ask your family members. They may have different ideas than your own. Now you can remove anything from that space that doesn't support the activities that you want to do there. Here are 3 things to get you started. Focus on one room at a time. Once you find success, then you can move on to the next space. Identify zones in each room where the activities will happen. With zones, everything should find a home. Sort like items and identify where those items will live. It works because you will be setting priorities within your home by writing down what you want and where you want it. You'll communicate to your whole family what your priorities are. You will also be laying the foundation to maintain the organization you've created. Clearing clutter is not a one solution fits all. It can't be done in a day. So this series will help you start thinking about how you can start to kiss your clutter goodbye, follow along for the different strategies, and get rid of what's holding you back.